Hello students, welcome back to my channel CSI Buddy, and today we are going to study about block 2 polyspermy. So let's get started. First of all, what is block 2 polyspermy? When more than one sperm gets into the oocyte. So in this case, this is the ovum, and if more than one sperm is trying to enter this ovum, then this process or this condition is known as polyspermy. Almost always a fatal event. There are two mechanisms involved in block 2 polyspermy. So in order to inhibit this situation to happen, we have two mechanisms involved, that is fast block 2 polyspermy and slow block 2 polyspermy. First of all, in this fast block 2 polyspermy, this is inhibited in almost under 10 seconds, and in slow block 2 polyspermy it takes a little while. Now starting with the fast block 2 polyspermy. Within few seconds after fusion of the sperm and oocyte's plasma membrane, the entire oocyte's plasma membrane undergoes a massive depolarization. So when one sperm strikes the ovum, then what happens? It undergoes depolarization. Now what is depolarization? So initially what happens is that the outer membrane, which is the ovum's outer membrane, consists of a positive charge in the outer membrane and a negative charge in the inner membrane. But as the sperm strikes the ovum, then what happens? It depolarizes, and the condition is the outer membrane consists of the negative charge and the inner membrane consists of the positive charge. So this condition is known as depolarization. So initially it was negative 70 millivolt, and then it converts into positive 10 millivolt. This depolarization prevents other spermatozoa from adhering to the oocyte's plasma membrane receptors and double fertilizing the oocyte. So now what happens is that in the condition of sperms, now sperm is having a negative charge in their periphery. So what will happen? It will resist now. So no other sperm would be able to enter the ovum now after this depolarization. A sperm's receptor don't bind well to the oocyte with the depolarized plasma membrane. So I hope that this concept of fast block 2 polyspermy is clear to you all. Now you can see this diagram and understand it more clearly, that initially this was the sperm. Initially we were having a negative 20 millivolt when the egg was unfertilized. Then when the egg is undergoing fertilization, then K positive channels leak opens and the positive charge runs from outside to inside. So what is happening? Initially the cell membrane was positively charged in the outer membrane and negatively charged in the inner membrane. Now what will happen? As the sperm strikes, now Na positive channel will open, Na will rush into the ovum. When Na positive channel is open, now the polarity of the cell will change and it will become a depolarized cell with a negative charge in the outer membrane and a positive charge in the inner membrane, and the negative 70 MV will convert into positive 10 MV. So this was all about fast block 2 polyspermy. In the next video I will be teaching you about the slow block 2 polyspermy. So if you have any doubt regarding this video lecture, you can comment in the comment section, and if you like this lecture, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.